and welcome to the forestry presentation. My name is Jason McLaren and I'll be your guide today. We're going to go over a few of the forest communities here and we're outside the Dallas area. Forest communities are much more than just a set of trees. They are an extremely complex and interacting unit. At first you may have heard of the word ecosystem. Eco refers to the environment, in this case a forest, and system refers to the interaction of the numerous units within that ecosystem, such as trees, birds, insects, all the way down to the soil. And it also includes humans, such as man. We'll begin by starting looking at the trees. As I said before, the ecosystem is more than just one thing. As you can see here, we have a tree. A tree itself is its own ecosystem and just one part of the major forest ecosystem. And we're going to break that down a little bit for you here now. Soil is also another part of the ecosystem. Underneath this ground here is so much going on that it's unique to the humans. We don't even recognize how much stuff's going on underneath this until you start digging it up, and you will then see some of that stuff that's going on in there. We're going to show you a little bit of that now. Okay, here we found some soil that's kind of eroded away a little bit. If you look, there's already a few layers missing here. Soil is just a bunch of layers stacked on top of each other. You have the base soil, you can have topsoil, you can have bedrock, all that kind of stuff's here. Anyway, you can see right here the topsoil is pretty much gone. We have this thick clay underneath, and then in here, if we dig deeper, you start seeing other kind of soils. You know, now it's getting a little rocky, the soil composition is changing, and the more you go down, the more you'll find. This is how we get our different kind of soils for our house. If you want certain kind of soil for your landscaping, you have to go order it. Animals such as these birds here, these ducks, are another critical part of the ecosystem. We're going to show you a little bit about what animals like these, the impact they have on the ecosystem themselves. I hope this presentation is giving you a little more insight on the forest ecosystem and the things that are in that ecosystem, and how that with those things there's a huge environmental change going on, and just a small change of that can provoke a butterfly effect, therefore affecting more things.